Do you know you can earn 50k plus rupees by learning these two skills? So, hello everyone. My name is Shaurya Meshram, and today I am going to tell you in this video that how can you earn 50k rupees. 50k, you can say 50k rupees. How can you earn, and how can you do something in this modern era and in this 2026? As you know, in this modern generation, if you want to live, if you want to do something in this modern generation, you will have to learn skill, because you do not have any kind of option without skill. Just because if you think I will take any kind of degree and just I will get job, it's not possible you will get any kind of job. But if you learn skills, you will get any kind of job very easily. But the main thing is that you need to understand that which skills will you learn. Because I know, means you can say in this modern generation there are many kinds of skill that you can learn, but you have to learn needed skill. That is very important in 2026, and so that you can earn rupees, you can earn a lot of money, and you can also do something in your life by learning these skills. So that's why I'm saying you should watch this video, because in this video I'm going to talk about skills, but which skills are necessary, which skill are important, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to talk about this. So you have to watch this video very carefully. If you watch this video very carefully, then I can guarantee you that you will know that what are the skills and which skills you have to learn. You know, means I know that you have clicked on this video by watching my thumbnail or by seeing my thumbnail. So now in this video, that thing I am going to tell you in this video. So which are the two skills you have to learn, I am going to tell you I am going to tell you in this video. So before starting this video, so please like, subscribe and share. So now I start my video. So first of all, which skill you have to learn? You have to learn these two skill. What are the skill? That skills are English speaking, means English language, and AI. Yeah, these two skills are very important, and I will tell you, I will explain you also how will it work, and this by this how can you earn money and how can you earn a lot of money. I will tell you each and everything. So that's why you have to watch this video very carefully. You do not have to skip any kind of part, because if you skip, what happens? You will not be able to understand that what am I saying, what is meant by this skill. Like this, you will not be able to understand. So that's why you have to just watch this video very carefully, and each and every second is crucial in this video or is significant in this video. That's why you have to watch this video very carefully. So as you know that I have told that two skills are significant, which are that are English speaking or English language and AI. So how will it work and how can you earn a lot of money through these skills? So first of all, we talk about English, that how is English necessary and how can we implement English language, or just how can we learn English language. So I tell you, so as you know, in this modern generation, if you want to just suppose imagine, if you go anywhere, suppose any kind of country or state, if you go, how will you speak, or you can say which language will you speak? You will speak Hindi? No. Means I know Hindi, just we know we will speak, they will understand, but some people will not understand. So how is it possible that you will be able to talk to them? It's not possible. That's why what will you have to do? You will have to learn English, because everybody knows English, and as you know, English is an international language and global language in this modern era. That is very crucial and significant, because in English language, what happens in English language, just whenever we want to communicate with anyone, we can communicate with very easily with the help of English, because we know English, so we can talk to them and we can just share our experience, or just whatever we want to speak we can speak in English. Because just if you go any kind of country, what happens, just you know Hindi but you don't know, you can see you don't know Hindi, means I can say you don't know English but you know Hindi. What happens, that you will be able to speak but you will not be able to talk to that people. Why? Because just you know Hindi, you don't know English, that's why you will not be able to talk. But if you know English language, what happens, you will be able to talk to them very easily and you will be able to communicate with that people very easily. And as you know, just if you want to crack any kind of interview, you will have to speak English, because in interview you will have to speak English deliberately, because at that time what will interviewer say, that you have to speak in English. If you just don't speak in English, what happens, you will be rejected by us, so they will say like this. That's why you have to learn English language. And now I have told you all the things about English, that why is English important and necessary, and how can you learn English language. First of all, yeah, I will tell you, but in this video my main focus on that which are the two skills. So I've explained you about one skill, that is English language. Means it's also skill, I know it's an language, it's a language you can say, but it's also type of skill that you have to learn in 2026. And you know, just if you don't learn this two skill, what happens, you will waste your 2026 and you will regret that why didn't I learn this two skill. That's why this is a very important video for you. So now I talk about other skill, that is AI. So why am I talking about AI? You will just ask me the question that why will I learn AI? I means you will ask me that AI is destroying our in our life. You can say just AI is not helpful like this. You will say, or you will ask me. But in my opinion, AI is not dangerous. The way we use AI, that a type of thing is dangerous. You know, just if we use for bad use AI, what happens, we will not be able to use AI properly and we will not be able to earn. But if I say that you can earn a lot of money, 1 lakh, or you can say 60,000 rupees you can earn with the help of AI, how will you earn? You know that many people say that you have to learn this tool, you have to learn that tool, means many tools you have to learn. They say like this, but you have to learn, means you do not have to learn many tools, you can say, in AI. Just you have to learn only, you can say, in minimum number tools, and you have to use, and then you can earn money, you can earn a lot of money. How will you earn a lot of money? Because suppose what are you doing, suppose you are learning AI, so you will use chat GPT. And as you know that in chat GPT, what can you do, you can make any kind of thumbnail, poster designs like this, you can make, or you can create. So you, if you create, what happens, you will sell to the people, then they will just give you money, and then you can earn money. It's the very beneficial for you that you can earn money. You can also create video with the help of AI, and then you can earn money like this, you can earn. So this is the best way that you can earn, and this is the best for students or any person, that if you are learning this two skill, then definitely I can say that you will be able to do something in your life, and you will be able to become something in your life. It's my guarantee, just if you learn only this two skill. I know that many people say you have to learn 5 skill, 10 skill, 20 skill you have to learn, but I say you have to learn only 2 skill. I'm not giving you burden, just I'm giving you just necessity of this skill. That's why I give you, means just I brought you this video for you to learn skills, you can say. So you can learn skill with the help of this, and you can become a successful person. So thank you so much, and if you like this video, then like, subscribe and share, and we will meet also once again. And just if you want to just know something about any topic, you can just say in my comment section, then I will reply, then I will make a video on that topic. So thank you so much, and we will meet once again.